Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 3LT Coupe in cyber gray metallic on adrenaline red leather interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area. I'll let you have a look. So we have the removable targa top, which is color matched to the vehicle. It's removed right now and placed nicely in the trunk. This one has the privacy screen up here as well as down below, which is great. To move the top, you just simply pull on each side and it will flip up like an accordion, and now you can place some items down below. We've got the netting that runs along to keep items safe as you're driving and having lots of fun. Down in the corner, we've got some goodies down there and some storage, and we'll just lock this one in place. We'll close this up and we'll step back and have a look. So it's got the nice Z51 style spoiler on it, which is color matched to the vehicle. We've got the nice LED taillights. We've got the stainless steel quad port exhaust. That's great. And we've got the chrome badge package. So we'll just shift around here. Here's your rear wheel. So this is a 20-inch rim. This is off a 2019 Corvette, so they've been upgraded. We've got nice Michelin tires, and we've got nice red calipers on there as well with the Corvette logo. Over at the passenger side, we've got the red baseball stitching that runs along. We've got the nice adrenaline red accent on the leather. We've got the electronic door release, power windows, power locks, the Bose stereo. And then down here, we've got the nice Chevrolet kick plate, which is in fabulous condition, as you can see. For the passenger seat, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. For the passenger seat, we've got heated and cooled seat controls here. We've got temperature control here and a temperature display here. We've got the nice adrenaline red leather insert here, which comes with the 3LT package. Gives you the added color upgrades here. And then we've got the nice baseball stitching that runs along. The dash, the leather, everything looks like it's just about new. It's in really, really good shape, as you can see. On the visor here, we've got a Corvette logo as well. Same on that side there. And we've got the garage door opener buttons on the driver's side. Frameless rear view mirror with OnStar on that as well. So we'll just hop out, we'll close this side up, and I'll just start at the back and we'll scan down this side of the car. There it is, looks great. And here's your front wheel. Again, nice upgraded wheels from a 2019 Corvette. So we've got 19s on the front. The chrome is in excellent condition. And again, we've got the nice red calipers with Michelin tires. Under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter engine, which is 455 horsepower paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and clean and tidy under here. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the front. There it is from the front. So we've got the nice projector style headlights with HUD bulbs. We've got LED daytime running lights and LED turn signals. We've got the chrome accent here on the front bumper. Looks great. We've got the carbon flash metallic insert there. In terms of issues, this car is very, very, very clean. Might be hard pressed to find anything. There may be a stone chip somewhere, but nothing that I can see to point out. So we'll just shift around. Here's your other front wheel. It's in great shape. Again, 19s on the front, 20s on the back. Nice chrome wheels, Michelin tires, red calipers, and same thing back here. And then I'll also point out we do have the carbon flash accent here on the rear vent. So over the driver's side, again, we've got power locks, power windows. We've got memory seating for 2 users with an exit button. We've got the electronic door release, the Bose stereo, and that red baseball stitching with red leather insert there. Looks great. Here's your Chevrolet kick plate on this side. Some minor scuffing on this one. We'll polish it, we'll do our best for you. But it is a kick plate, so that's what it's there to do. Down here, we've got our power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. It's really been well cared for. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll get in and we'll fire this one up. There we are. So So in terms of kilometers, we have 23,589, nice and low, no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Down here we've got our cruise control, we've got our favorites, our track change button. Also take note of the nice red baseball stitching that runs along the steering wheel. We've got volume controls on this side, we've got our arrow keys which control the dash, info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and settings. We've got paddle shifters, plus and minus. We've got our power mirrors, our heads-up display control, trunk release. This button here is actually to turn off the alarm if you're having the vehicle towed for any reason. We've got our power tilt and telescopic steering wheel here. And I'll just turn off the lights and we'll brighten the heads-up display so you can see. There it is on the dash. And we'll put the headlights back on. On this side here, we've got our push button start. We've got behind screen storage with USB. Here's your radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM, phone control. We've got nav. So here's your full factory navigation. Just turn that down. And if we put it in reverse, there's your backup camera. And let's see down here, we've got auto climate control. We've got heated and cooled seats, so that's cooled seat. Here's heated seat. And there's also controls for the passenger here, as well as on that side over there. Okay, we'll put this in park. Here's your 6-speed automatic shifter, nice red baseball stitching, 12-volt socket, cup holder, mode select. So as we turn that, we've got touring, sport, track, weather, eco, or back to touring. We also have the electronic parking brake. And in here, we've got 2 USB ports, an SD card, an auxiliary in, and a 12-volt socket. So we'll just hop out with this one running and have a look and a listen. Great sounding machine. Here it is from the front with the headlights on. Sharp looking car. I really love the red accent with the leather. It looks great. And we'll just scan down this side of the car for you. It's in really good shape, as you can tell. It's been well cared for. It was traded in by a local customer who's upgraded to a newer model himself. So it really shows the way that he's cared for it. And there you have it, folks. 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 3LT here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.